Hi guys, this is the video of showing you how to do Retell lecture. So first of all, log into your Iowa, click on practice and click on Retell lecture. Right, so you can click on filter, select exam question and apply the filter. Right, so this is the list of the exam question. So you can pick any of them, right? So let's say I'll pick this. I haven't done this one yet, okay? Right, so to start, make sure you adjust your volume.
You might think that most of the patients at sleep clinics are being treated for sleeplessness, commonly referred to as insomnia, but that is not the case. The majority of sleep clinic patients suffer from disorders of excessive sleep, or hypersomnia. While most insomniacs somehow manage to drag themselves through the day and function at acceptable, although not optimal levels, this is not so for people who suffer from hypersomnia. They are incapacitated by irresistible urges to sleep during the day, often in inappropriate situations, at business meetings, in supermarkets, or at parties. Even more dangerous is their failure to remain awake when driving or operating machinery. Falling asleep in such situations could obviously be life-threatening. Many hypersomniacs suffer from narcolepsy, for which the primary symptom is excessive daytime sleepiness. Though not apparent in childhood, this symptom most often appears for the first time during the teen years and continues throughout a person's life. The sleep attacks may occur as many as 15 to 20 times during the course of the day and last for periods from 15 minutes up to 2 hours. What can be done to help those suffering from narcolepsy? There are certain drugs that can help, and specialists suggest voluntary napping to decrease the frequency of such sleep attacks.
The lecture was about sleep clinic, sleepiness, insomnia disorder. Furthermore, the speaker mentioned that access to the sleep drug during the day, not hyperinsomnia. Moreover, the speaker mentioned that urgent to sleep during the day, meeting or supermarket. Moreover, the speaker explained that it's dangerous, maintain awake during driving, narcolepsy, daytime sleepiness. Finally, the speaker concluded that continued throughout person life sleep attack during many times of the day, how to help people suffer to reduce the frequency. The lecture was about sleep clinic, sleepiness, insomnia disorder. Furthermore, the speaker mentioned that access to the sleep drug during the day, not hyperinsomnia. Moreover, the speaker mentioned that urgent to sleep during the day, meeting or supermarket. Moreover, the speaker explained that it's dangerous, maintain awake during driving, narcolepsy, daytime sleepiness. Finally, the speaker concluded that continued throughout person life sleep attack during many times of the day, how to help people suffer to reduce the frequency. Right, so you can see that out of 40 seconds, I have speak up to 37 seconds, right? And most of the keyword, if the computer can understand it, you can get a good mark for listening. So the more keywords you have, the better for you, right? As well as you don't hesitate, which is make sure your oral fluency is good.